If your machine is making abnormal noise, it could be one or two things. It could be that the TPU powder is adhering to the railings, or it could be that it is time for you to grease your machine. You're going to start by taking your cleaning tool and clean the railings. First, clean the top railing all the way down. Then you're going to do the same thing in the bottom. Clean this side, then go all the way down. Once you're finished with that, unlock the head of your printer, move it all the way to the left, and then do the same thing cleaning the right side. Once that's done, you're going to get your grease, take a little bit, and you're going to put it on the inside and right here a little bit, and then here and down. Once you do that, you're going to help spread it with your finger. Spread the grease all the way down. And then move the carriage left and right, just to make sure that the grease has spread all through the railings. And once you're done, lock the head back in place.